Hi viewers, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. So guys, today I am here to share with you how you can make the land that you are living currently to favor you. So if you are living outside your own father's land, maybe you are living abroad, you are living in Hong Kong, you are living in China, you are living in Switzerland, you are living in Denmark, you are living in Canada, you are living in US, you are living in UK, you are living in Nigeria, you are living anywhere you are living. Come close. I have something that I want to share with you today that by the special grace of God, guys, after doing it, that land will pack money. They will gather the money. The land that you are living will gather the money, put it in a bubble wrap, and then they will just dash it to you, and you will start smiling. Okay. For example, if your country, the country that you are staying is not fertile for you, it's not favoring you, things are not working the way you wanted to work, and that is the reason why you leave your country and then went to that country. Come close. I have something that I want to teach you today, but you must have to pay attention to that. In case you have been watching me for years, for weeks, for months, you don't want to subscribe, guys, please, what are you doing now? Help your sister and subscribe, and also remember to, to like this video after watching it. If today is the first time of joining this beautiful family, you are highly welcome. And this channel will teach you how to use little things around you to solve some spiritual problems by the special grace of God, just like the one you are watching right now. Okay, so guys, moving on to this video and what brought me here. But before I go into that video, please, this is black tourmaline for protection. It's white of any kind of negative energy, be it just, be it juju, be it anything, be it the one they put on the ground, the one they fly, the one they blow. Once it is always on your neck, once it is always on your neck, guys, it wipe any attack, the one that they always blow on the air. Once you always have this, at the service of God, those things will not even come on your way. Okay, the parent window. So guys, that is it. Now let me go back to this video and what brought me here. We're talking about on how you can make the country that you are staying to home. Those of you who are staying in Nigeria and things are not working, you have used so many spiritual products, you have done so many spiritual work, you have used this, you have used that, and all of these things don't work, guys. You need to pay attention to the land you are staying. You need to do this prayer because it is very powerful. It's a powerful and very effective prayer to make the land that you are staying to favor you, whether your enemies like it or not. But you must learn how to do this every time. You can do this 2 times or 3 times in a month, and trust me, that land will just be packing money to you. Once you have business that you are doing, once you have something, once you have connection, let me tell you, people will be connected to you and you'll be connected to people. That land will be packing money for you. In fact, even if it's just ordinary coconut that you are selling, we use that coconut to build mansion, because the land in which you always do this prayer on will always be with you, will always favor you, will always provide all that you ask for, all that you need, to succeed in this life, all that you need to be happy. They will be the one packing it for you. All you have to do is to follow this recipe. By special grace of God, you see things begin to change. So to do that, number one thing that you need original honey. Do not, yes, everybody sell honey, but let me tell you, not everybody has original honey. To identify original honey now, guys, one day, if you don't know how to identify it, forget it. So get original honey. Okay, original honey, I said. Original honey, I said. Do not go and get our own honey and said, Anno said, yeah, you should do this, and after doing that, money will start packing. The land that will begin to give you money. Use original honey. So that is number one. Number two, you need sugar. You need cube sugar. As you can see, any brand of sugar is okay, but if you can get a particular one, good and fine. If you cannot get, please use other brand, but let it be a cube sugar. Okay, so another thing that you need is what you need: 7 pieces of coconut, 7 pieces of coconut, mature coconut that has a lot of water inside. Then the last thing that you need is what you need: a white bowl. And how will you do this? Guys, listen very well. Listen very well. All you have to do early in the morning, after you wake up from the sleep, make sure that you gather all these ingredients and they are, closer to you. When you wake up from the sleep, before greeting anybody, before making your morning prayer, crack the coconuts, the 7 coconuts that I just stated right now, crack all the coconuts and then add the water. Put the water inside that white bowl that I just showed you right now. Okay, I just stated now. Then this sugar, add 21 pieces of cube sugar inside that coconut water I have added in a white bowl. Then add honey. Use this your middle finger to mix it thoroughly well. Okay? Now, after you are done mixing it, this can be done outside your house. It can be done in your bathroom. It can be done even in your kitchen. But the most important thing is that connection and that prayer, which is what I want to teach you right now. So after you have done mixing all these things inside that one bowl, guys, now hold the bowl like this and then begin to call the God and the goddess of that land. Begin to call God who created that land. Begin to call the God and the goddess of that land to come and do what? To take your offering, that you are offering them sweet things, that because you are in the land, if you are in abroad, that is when you have to call the God and the goddess of that land to come and take this sweet offering. That's the reason why you are here. State the reason why you are in that land. Okay? That you are in that land to be useful to yourself, that you are in that land to be useful to your people, that you are in that land to make life meaningful to you and those who are who will come in contact with you. After making that prayer, now you tell the land to bless you. That as you are blessing this land with sugary things, with honey, with all the good things, all the sweet things of life, that you want the land to give you the sweet things that you have given to him in return. That they will not take your body lifeless from this country down to your country. I don't know if you're hearing me. Now, as you are making that prayer, be pouring the mixture on the floor, on the ground, okay? Be pouring it. That you want every good thing in life, all the sweetness to locate you, that you don't want anything bitterness in this land. As long as you are still staying in that land, okay? You don't want any bitterness. You don't want anything. You don't want any deportation from anything that will bring bitterness, that you don't need it, that you want the land to favor you, the God and the goddess of that land to favor you, that you want your life to be sweet, that as you are giving them sweet things, that they should give you sweet things in return and not the bad thing and not the bitter things. Okay? You pour it. And then after making that prayer, believe that it has been answered. And trust me, just watch what is going to happen the moment you are done making that prayer. Now, if you are in Nigeria, call the God and the goddess of this that land, Nigeria, the God from your own father's side. You understand? Call them that you want your father's land. This is your father's land. Nigeria is your father's land. You want this Nigeria to favor you. You want your father's land to favor you, that you cannot be in your father's land and be suffering. It is not possible. You have to call them. You have to call them. You have to plead. You have to tell them your wish that you are born to succeed. That this your father's land, that you will succeed. That this your father's land will not eat your head untimely. Will not eat the head of your children untimely. And will not eat the hand of anybody that is love with you untimely. That rather, as you are giving the land sweetness, that is how you want them to throw that sweetness back to you. That your father's land will favor you in all ramification, will bring sweetness and not bitterness and not sadness. Okay, that as you are giving them the sweetness, that they should also, give you back what you are giving them, all the sweetness that you deserve, that you cannot be in your father's and then so that is why you are giving them this, for them to take and then do what? To bless you with sweetness, that you must succeed in your father's land. You are not going anywhere. Look, if you don't have any intention of going to any other country, that is when you have to involve. You are not going anywhere, that you are going to make it here in your father's land, and therefore all the sweetness of life that you will receive, you understand, then you make that prayer and then pour all the things, all the mixture on the ground, and so shall it be. After making that prayer, say Ise. Ise means amen. For those of you who don't know what Ise means, some of you think that Ise is a diabolic word. My dear, it is not. It's just a traditional word being used in a traditional way after making prayer, meaning that let it be so. Okay, that's the meaning of Ise. Let it be so. Okay, now you can now go back and then continue your other morning routine by greeting people, your husband, making your daily prayer and all that. Okay, so you can do this at least 2 or 3 times in a month. If the place, your land where you are staying is not favoring you guys, you have to rush down and do this. I have original honey. Use the original honey, like I said. Use original honey. So, guys, that is it. But before I go off, this is my black tourmaline. This tourmaline helps in removing any negative energy around you. If there is any jars, the one they are blowing, the one they are calling your name, the one they are sending on your body, and you are feeling it always, please get this black tourmaline. It wipe any form of black magic out from your life, and it also protect you from any spiritual and physical attack being set by evil people. Okay, so that is it. Then I have this. This is crab puller powder, and it's made with over 25 different types of powerful herbs that is popularly known or naturally or spiritually known to enhance your business. Like it attracts customer. This is crab puller powder. For those of you who don't like using crab puller soap is also available. Then the powder now is available. Okay, I just made this one yesterday. So you take it with water. If you don't take it with water, take it with honey, or you add it inside your pap. So you use your finger here, this one, and then this big tool to fetch it, and you put it inside your mouth. You drink your water, or you take your just a spoon of honey, and then you swallow it. It attracts crowd. Guys, this is tested and trusted products. Okay, very very affordable. It goes for cheap price. Okay, so it's now in stock. Crackler powder. Please patronize your sister, and as you do so, God will bless whatever you are buying from me. God will bless you. So this is auto cleansing powder. For those of you whose spiritual product don't work in their life, please get this auto cleansing powder. I also have the liquid one. This powder is just for you to put it inside your bathing water. Then you said, Ocho Oracle, leave me, and they will leave you and they will succeed. It also helps in attracting customer, okay? And it's very much affordable. So, guys, that's just the end of this video for today. Please, after watching this video, like this video for your sister, Big Konono, so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people like it. All right, and also leave your comment under the comment section. To order for my products, all you have to do is to chat me on WhatsApp 090 59825779 090 59825779. I am active on WhatsApp. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Bye.